The Triad has become a hot spot for advanced manufacturing, and with GTCC's already advanced manufacturing, we decided that this was the only spot that NC FAME could be located at. I'm excited that FAME will bring a positive economic impact to the Piedmont Triad and be able to get employers the skilled trade technicians that they need immediately.
Earn While You Learn programs are great for the community in that students are gaining technical skills specifically for this program in manufacturing. So whether they continue with their employer or go to a different employer, they're still building the manufacturing work-based knowledge in the community. This FAME program is a great opportunity for someone to directly go into the workforce while going to school. I wish there was opportunities like this when I went to school.
I wanted to be a part of the FAME program because I like working with my hands, and being a part of this program is not like going to a traditional school where you're just sitting there, you're taking notes and you're going home. You're actually working on trainers. If you're considering joining the FAME program, I would highly recommend it because you're getting experience while working and in school, and you're also getting paid to do both.
I chose this program because it offered me education debt-free and a great career path that I will enjoy. If you're interested in a career in advanced manufacturing, I do believe that the FAME program is a great step because you will get good education and you will get good work experience while doing it. And the long hours are definitely worth it.
Maintenance is a career where there's plenty of job security. We are short right now nationwide about 500,000 skilled technicians. That number is expected to grow to well over 2 million in the next 10 years. I personally believe this is going to change the opinions of not only students but the local community as to what it takes to be successful and to get a successful job. This is getting away from you have to have a 4-year degree to be able to do anything and putting it back into hands-on skills, and a 2-year degree can be successful and you can have an entire career out of that. Most programs, when you graduate college, you spend up to 6 months looking for a job. This program, the job's already there for you. Not only that, if you want to go to a different employer, you have the skills that employers have come together and said, this is specifically what we want you to know to be successful at our companies.
If I have any questions, the engineers that work in the plant can answer for me with no problems. I get to see how things work in real life and how they solve those problems and learn from their experience. And that puts me ahead of other people in the job market. So you get the experience and you get the pay. So I think it's good. Honestly, I think it's good.
I think the FAME program is a good route if you're considering a career in manufacturing, because the partner companies are pretty well-known names. They're not high school jobs that you'd work part-time at. They're companies you'd work a 20-plus year career at and retire from.
The ultimate goal of the North Carolina FAME chapter is to help students, but also we would like to be a model for other community colleges across the nation.
I really hope to see about 5 years from now this program continue to grow, to continue to add more employers and more students and continue to impact lives. This is a program that no matter what your background is, no matter what school you came from, that you can succeed, get yourself a good career and completely change your life.